Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting my day with a staple Indian breakfast, which is besan chila. To cook besan chila, all you need is a cup of besan, half a cup of suji. Just add water and mix well. To besan chila, so here I'm adding onions, tomatoes. You can even add carrots. I did not have carrots, so that is why in this video I did not add them, but yes, they taste lovely in chila, so add vegetables according to your taste. I completely forgot to add green chilies, but I love the taste of green chilies in chila. So here I am adding green chilies to the batter. I also like to add spices like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, some garam masala and salt to the batter. But if you don't like these spices, you can completely skip it, or you can add some more according to your own taste. Brush a little bit of oil onto the pan so that the batter does not stick to the pan, and then spread the batter evenly. Cover it and let it cook. After a few minutes, brush a little bit of oil on the other side of the chila and then flip it over. While waiting for the chila to cook, I decided on just catching up on my reading. How many of you like to do that? Let me know in the comments. You can serve this chila with ketchup, chutney or tea, however you like it. I received a few parcels recently, so decided to open them up. This is a book parcel from Amazon, and I am in love with this series. This is the third book from the Dream Harbor series, and I can't wait to read it, you guys. Book review coming up soon. This was one of the most awaited packages from Nika. Somehow this time I got the order delivered late. Usually it just takes one day. But this time it took almost a week for this parcel to be delivered, but it's finally here. So this is my favorite eye patch from Swiss Beauty. It's so hydrating for your under eye. This is the sunscreen that I love. It's from Aqualogica and is so dewy. This is a makeup fixer again from Swiss Beauty that I love, and a free gift. I will try it and let you know how this is. And finally, my favorite micellar water from Garnier. Journal every year, so this is the one for 2025. It just helps me to keep a track of all the books that I've read. This is the first book that I finished this year. usually rate the book out of 5 and then write a short summary of the book. I love reading books and I love writing reviews of the books post that. This is my kind of unwinding and relaxing. Have you all read this book? And did you like it? Do let me know in the comments. Now it's time to read before I go off to sleep. We'll see you all next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.